Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video I am going to discuss exercise 5.1 from chapter 5 arithmetic progression for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. Today in this video I am going to discuss problem number 4, remaining part of subdivision, that is from subdivision 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I already solved problem number 1 to 4 up to 10 subdivision. It is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. Problem number 11th one, that is 11th subdivision. It is given as a square, a cube, a power 4. We have to check whether this one form a AP. If it forms AP, find the common difference. Next 3 more terms. Here what is a? That is a1 is a2 is a square. Find the difference. a2 minus a1, a square minus a, take a outside, a minus 1. Now find a3 minus a2. Here a3 is a cube, a2 is a square, a cube minus a square. If I take a square outside, a minus 1, but here a into a minus 1, but here a square into a minus 1. This is not same. Here a2 minus 1 is a into a minus 1, but a3 minus a2 is a square into a minus 1. Both are not equal, both are not same. Therefore it does not form an AP. Now subdivision 12th one, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Solution. Here a is root 2, that is a1 is root 2. What is a2? Root 8. Find difference. a2 minus a1, root 8 minus root 2. We can write root 8 as 4 into 2 minus root 2. Root 4 is 2, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Take root 2 outside, 2 minus 1, root 2 into 1, root 2. Find difference. a3 minus a2. What is a3? Root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 9 into 2 means 3 root 2 minus root 4, 2 root 2. Take root 2 outside, 3 minus 2, root 2 into 1, root 2. See here, a2 minus a1 is same as a3 minus a2. Here common difference is same, constant, equal. Therefore D equal to root 2. it forms an AP. Find next three more terms, that is A5, A6, A7. A5 is A plus 4D, A6 is A plus 5D, A7 A plus 6D. What is A? Root 2. Root 2 plus 4 into root 2, that is 5 root 2. Root 2 plus 5 into root 2, answer is 6 root 2. Root 2 plus 6 root 2, answer is 7 root 2. Here A5 is 5 root 2, A6 is 6 root 2, A7 is 7 root 2. Now the subdivision 13th one. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Subdivision 13 given as root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Solution, here A root 3, that is A1 root 3, A2 root 6. Find difference. A2 minus A1, root 6 minus root 3. This is root of 2 into 3 minus root 3. This is root 2 into root 3 minus of root 3. Find the difference by taking root 3 outside, root 2 minus 1. Now find the difference A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2, A3 is root 9, A2 means root 6. Root 9 is 3, root 6 we can write it as root 2 into root 3. Again this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 minus of root 2 into root 3. Take root 3 outside, root 3 minus root 2. See here root 3 into root 2 minus 1 for A2 minus A1, but A3 minus A2 we are getting root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. Here common difference is not same, is not equal, therefore it does not form an AP. Now the 14th subdivision, it is given as 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Solution, here A is 1 square, that is A1 1 square, A2 3 square. Find the difference. A2 minus A1, that is 3 square minus 1 square, 9 minus 1 8. Find A3 minus A2, 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, that is 16. Here A2 minus A1 is 8, A3 minus A2 is 16. Common difference is not same, is not equal, therefore it does not form an AP. Last subdivision, 15th one, problem 4, exercise 5.1, last problem of this video. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. One square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. Solution. Here A is 1 square, that is A1 is 1, A2 is 5 square, 25. Find A2 minus A1, 25 minus 1, 24. Find A3 minus A2, that is 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25. Here common difference, D is 24, which is same, which is equal, therefore D equal to 24. It forms an AP. We have to find 3 more terms, that is A5, A6, A7. A5 is A plus 4D. Here A is 1 square. 1 square means 1 plus 4 into 24. 1 plus 96, 97. A6 is A plus 5D, 1 square, which is the value for A, that is 1. 5 into 24, 120 plus 1, 121. A7, A plus 6D, A is 1, that is 1 square, 6 into D, 24. 1 plus 144, answer is 145. A5 97, A6 121, A7 145. This completes the answer for the subdivision 15th one, problem 4. I have completed exercise 5.1. Next I will proceed exercise 5.2. I will solve the problem in exercise 5.2 in the upcoming video. If you like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe it for more video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.